Romantic Mauritius is an archipelago off the coast of Africa in the warm Indian Ocean. This tropical paradise, with its bustling capital Port Louis, is known for its picturesque beaches, swaying palm trees, and ideal holiday atmosphere. Mauritius will enchant you with the perfect mix of sunshine, sophistication, shopping, sports, and seaside fun. While in Mauritius, enjoy anything from pampering spa sessions to horse riding across the beach, or even your own romantic island wedding. The adventurous can enjoy the island and all its offerings, from water skiing to snorkeling, diving, deep sea fishing, and even exploring underwater in a submarine. Rich in history, the island also offers a variety of natural and cultural attractions that can be explored on guided tours organized through your local tour guide or resort. At the end of the day, no matter how you choose to spend your time in magical Mauritius, you are sure to leave feeling relaxed and rejuvenated.